Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to discuss something about how you can launch or create virtual machines on the Azure cloud. In the previous video we have seen about how you can create EC2 instance on the AWS cloud, but today in this practical of series we are going to learn about the Azure cloud. So let's say we have an idea and we want to convert that idea into the web applications. For creating the applications, developer needs some programming language to write the code. So once the code is created, we need to run the code or test it. So far we generally need three things. Okay, first of all we need OS, operating system. Okay, first of all we need OS, then second we need physical hardwares like RAM, CPU and storage part. Okay, storage part. Then third we write anything another that we need the web server is where the app is been deployed. These three things generally we need. So all these three things are required to launch any web applications, or if we are doing in all these things in our own premises, then this all the three things has to be managed by us only. Okay, so these three things are combined, known as platform for the applications, and the platform also consists of runtime applications in this particular part. So in the Azure, for the PaaS we have in Azure we have PaaS applications like Azure PaaS, and PaaS is nothing but stand for platform as a service. So we have service name as Azure App Services to deploy any applications, and we'll see this particular demo into the upcoming video. And if you want to also write the code responsibility to be handled by the cloud, so first of all we need to launch a virtual machine for our use case and provide subscription plan, resource group, virtual machines, and name the region. So let's begin this video with practical use case. So first of all, this is the Azure portal. How the Azure portal looks like, you just need to write portal.azure.com and you just need to log in into this particular part. So when you go to create a resource, and you have to just search for the virtual machines, like virtual machines in Azure we have virtual machines, and in AWS we have EC2 machines. So just click over here and it will open an overview how, and in this we are going to select the regions, we are going to create resource group, what all the things step by step we are going to see in this particular video. So here they're asking, first of all they are asking for the subscription. So as been we are just using for the student, when you log in the first time they provide you something around $200 rupees as a credentials for the practice purpose. $200 as a credit score, so you can just use this credit scores to launch, and you can just practice over this particular parts. Okay, now second thing we have resource group. I already have resource group, but we will see into the upcoming videos how you can create a new resource group. I'm just attaching the default one I have just created with the my name. Okay, then second, what you provide the virtual machines name, like suppose we are just providing with the virtual machine name as testing. Okay, and it's testing machine, we are just providing with the testing machine. Then region, which region you want to launch, US, East US, East US 3, like this we have multiple regions, so let's go with by default as East US. Then we have availability zones, which what all those availability zones you want virtual machines. We are just moving on with the default settings. Then we have zone, how much zone we want, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. So I'm just going with the zone 1 only right now. Okay, then here we have security type, we just want trusted launch machine, or we can use the standard one, the basics level security. And we have confidential virtual machines, like on the top trusted, and some about they cost something for that particular part also. Okay, so we are just using this by default trusted launch, this general part. Then image, which general image you want to use, like Ubuntu, Red Hat, we have different windows image. Let's see all the image, what all those image they provide to us. Okay, so here the select image page is getting open, and we can see like what all those images are being provided by the Azure cloud. So it's yeah, we have Windows Server, Windows 11, Windows 10, Red Hat, Ubuntu, then CentOS, Debians, then Linux OS, Virtual Studios. Like this, you can select the image and whatever you want to create the uh, machine on over this particular part. So right now we are just going with the by default for the, we just want let me quickly refill. I think it has been gone. Testing machine used to was one. Okay, we are just going with the Ubuntu machine and same as the VM architecture, and we like just it has been just loading the price. They are just taking something around 0.012 or something like this, and let's change with the locations once, and it will automatically decrease the cost pricing for us also. US at Central India one. So the size is not available in one zone. Zone 3 are supported. So they just support zone 3. So let's select with the zone 3. Like I'm just giving with the small things, what all those things they have been provided. Uh, we recently used this. Then going forward, we can also provide our custom password. What all those custom password we want. So we are just providing with the username and the password. We are just providing here. Okay. And SSH allowing the port we don't want, we want only STBT allow should be there as 443 420. All this port should be allowed over here. So we are just reviewing and creating it. And about the DIGS networking management, we'll see in upcoming videos more detail what all those DIGS, how you can attach the DIGS, how you can create the networking and management and all this particular part. So let's wait. Validations fail about the basic requirement is not valid. Let's check what is the where it get failed. I think the basics requirement is not taking up. So let's generally launch in 1, 2 and 3 again. Okay, and availability zones create we already have testing machines. And let's quickly review and create this particular part. They're just missing with some of the validations in the networkings. Okay, they're just providing with the load balancer also. So we don't want as such load balancer. So let's keep the things simple for us. We just allowing with the port 2022, and we just need certain things only. And let's quickly review and let's quickly create this. So our machines has been successfully created, and it is taking something around 13.111 ENR, like Indian rupees per hour according to it, and the validations has been passed, and you just need to create. So it was just an overview how let's quickly just download the private key and create the resource. Okay, so this was the certain steps how you can configure and how you can launch your virtual machine into the easily in the Azure resources, and it's quite easy step by step approach. If you get stuck into anywhere or if you want any help, you can just comment in the comment section, and we'll see about how you can connect, how you can go into the machines. And the deployment is already been processed. They're just showing the deployment is been in the process. Deployment to resource group is in China, and it's been in the working stage. As the machine get or it's created, we can just connect and we can get into the Linux server, and we can do some interesting practicals. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you are new to YouTube channel, please press the bell icon, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.